Hello everybody, my name is Yuriy, and today I want to show you how you can use our chatbot in order to ask Acumatica for any kind of data. And once you will have our customization installed, you will have this bot, and here you can type whatever question. For example, you can say, tell me overdue amount of all AR. I want single number, and press enter. Now you can see what happens. Exploring database schema analysis, and I will put pause on recording for some areas, but will comment once something will be found in between. So here you can see it tries to figure out what query to execute. Here we have SQL query generated, and here we have total overdue amount 488,000. So digit is a bit different than what we have here. Why? Because if we look on SQL query, we analyze document balance, get date. So this, as it is mentioned here, ChatGPT can make mistakes. Why this mistake can happen? Potentially some invoices are partially paid. That's why we have this difference. Again, this is ChatGPT. It analyzes your data, so it can make mistakes. Let me show you another feature which we have, and here we have top 10 sold items in last 12 months, and here I'm typing show me top 10 sold items in last 12 months. I click on enter. Again, we have analysis happening. So here you can see executing query, identify quantities sold for each item in the last 12 months, identify quantities sold for each item in the last 12 months. In a moment we should see SQL query like this, select top 10. Here we have, right now we have inventory ID as digit, total quantity sold, and this button means that analysis is still ongoing. And now you can see, you can compare widget 01, Coca-Cola cans 12 count, Coca-Cola cans 12 count, then Coca-Cola Diet cans 12 pack, and here we don't have Coca-Cola. I don't know why, to be honest, but here we have kind of again in between result, and here we have final result. Widget Coca-Cola twice. I don't know why we don't have here. Again, as was mentioned, here we have this guy, but what we have common Power 8 32 ounces. I believe I've seen here. We have rice potato. So not all the data correspond. Again, this is not extremely precise. If you want 100% precision, you will need to use a developer. But in order to understand an outcome, you can get export to Excel, and here you can do even something like this guy. Then you can go to insert, pie chart, 3D pie or 2D pie, and boom. Again, for quick analysis, this will work fine. But if you want extremely precise data, then definitely you will need to go with the way of building generic inquiry, which takes into account all the information that you have in the system, along with business rules, which our chatbot not necessarily can figure out. And yeah, button export to Excel, and you can get Excel, and you can get in-between results as well. Thanks, everybody. If you want to know more, leave us a request.